What's up, Zachary?
You're gonna get water on that lens, man. There's already water in the lens. So what are system integrators doing right, and what are they doing wrong?
It's 4th of July, trust me. Every system integrator I know is enjoying themselves.
Yes.
Because they work so hard. They go to the worst locations at the worst time of year, and they absolutely give everything that they've got. When it comes to a holiday that's meant to be with family and friends, they're absolutely enjoying it. 150%, no doubt.
Probably enjoy it more than the average person, actually. They spend so little time with their families.
I don't know why. Derek Snickle will probably have a post.
That's right.
The dedication that it takes to be a systems integrator is nothing like I've seen in anywhere else in my career.
It's why most people who get into the business don't make it for the long haul.
Yeah.
Most
Absolutely.
people, eventually they say this isn't for me. A lot of people, I'd probably say 80%, 8 out of every 10 who get into systems integration, they say this isn't for me and they want something cushier.
Well, also, I think you've got the family dynamic. A lot of times you either have the husband or the wife needing them to be home at reasonable time. They can't travel that much because they've got children. There's all kinds of reasons. And that's one of the things that I love about Intellic, actually, is that we are very family-centered. So for an integrator, we give a lot of time off, which is surprising. We really let people try to enjoy their holidays.
I don't want to say it's surprising, I just want to say it's unique.
Because it's important, don't you think?
It is important,
Yeah.
obviously. Yeah.
Do you think work-life balance is a farce, or is it just one thing?
I don't think it's a farce. I think it's important. But I think that you have to be mindful that... So here's an interesting thing, okay? So you have to be mindful that people don't look at it like, well, I can only work 8 hours a day because I need a good home work-life balance, right? There are going to be times when you have to put in the work. You're going to have to put in a 10 or 12-hour day, with the understanding that come holiday time, come vacation time, you're going to enjoy the holiday and the vacation that much more. And if you work for an integrator that really values that time away from work, they're not going to bug you.
Work hard, play
Do you
hard.
know what I'm saying?
Well,
yeah, exactly. It's not a farce. But
Let me clarify this. So I do bbelieve work-life balance is a farce.
You do?
See, I believe it's one thing. It's just
Yeah,
life.
I think it's one thing. It's life. Exactly.
That's so funny.
There's no such thing as I don't accept the premise of the work-home life balance, and here's why. The premise is that work and home are separate things,
Well, that
may have been true in the 50s, especially today, especially in the gig economy, right? So if you're the type of person who gets up at 4 a.m, likes to work for 3 hours, then have breakfast with your kids, get your kids off to school, get back to work at 9 a.m., work from 9 to 11, and then go to the gym, get back at 1 o'clock, and work from 1:30 to 5:30 nonstop. Have dinner with your wife and kids and answer emails and stuff when you go to bed between 8 and 10. You've worked a 10-hour day in a 15-hour window. Why not accept that? Why is that not a good work-life
balance. You just made my point for me.